C, G minor and D minor to play this song. Once again, you'll need C, G minor and D minor to play this song. Now let's look at the timing. It's 1 in every 4, C, G minor twice and D minor. Ready, 2, 3, and... Now for the picking hand, 3 under A, 2 under E and 1 under C. 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2. 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2. Get ready to pick that pattern over the chords. Ready on the C. Now play faster. Or play with a friend. If you wanted to play along with Coldplay, you could do what you've just learned, but put a capo at the 2nd fret. So then you'd be playing the C, the G minor, and the D minor, but with a capo on at the 2nd fret. And then that would be in the correct key. Now, of course, if you wanted to play with bar chords, you could then just bar at the 2nd fret and make those shapes with your other fingers. And that's what I'd advise to do as you move along your ukulele journey. Then if you get ready to strum, we'll practice and see how that sounds. Then you can practice the picking over the top of the bar chords and you've got the song in the correct key. Thank you for watching. Please do support on Patreon and vote for the next song. See you in the next one.